The new Nissan Frontier is coming, and let me tell you, this truck is insane. It is unique in a way that nobody expected and still manages to provide exceptional performance, and a design that has got everyone eagerly waiting for the release. While actually there are more reasons for it than just design, here are 7 key reasons to anticipate the new Frontier. And to be honest, this is not what you would expect from a truck like this. Number 1. Performance. The new Frontier is powered by a robust 310 horsepower V6 engine, transforming every drive into a thrilling experience. It delivers a harmonious blend of power and efficiency, propelling the Frontier forward with unmatched vigor. Complementing this powerhouse is a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring that the engine's might is not just a momentary burst, but a sustained, seamless flow of performance. This combination makes the Frontier not just a vehicle but a symphony of mechanical excellence designed to thrill and perform consistently under all conditions. But here's the interesting part: this is the only one option. No hybrids or anything. Think about it. How many times have you been shopping for a new truck only to get bogged down in a mind-numbing array of engine, transmission, and drivetrain choices? It's enough to make your head spin. Not with this rig though. With this bad boy, you get one engine and one transmission, and with both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations available, the Frontier is equally at home in the daily grind of city traffic and the unpredictable terrain of off-road trails. The Frontier's two-wheel drive model boasts an impressive 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 on the highway, while the four-wheel drive variant offers 17 in the city and 22 highway miles per gallon. Number 2. Platform. This thing is a fully boxed ladder frame meticulously forged from super high tensile strength steel. This solid base ensures the Frontier handles everything from smooth highway to rugged terrain with unwavering resilience. It delivers a smooth, compliant ride on city streets while offering robust handling for off-road adventures, a perfect harmony of comfort and control across any landscape. Plus, with a lofty ground clearance of 9.5-inch, the Frontier towers over obstacles, exuding confidence wherever you roam. This thing doesn't play around. Featuring skid plates, a locking differential, and all-terrain tires, these aren't just add-ons, they're integral components that empower you to explore beyond the beaten path where true adventure begins. But it's not just off-road capabilities that make this platform so impressive. Equipped with a classic 4-tow hitch receiver, the Frontier is ready to haul your essential gear, boats or trailers effortlessly. With this thing, the truck can tow up to 6,720 pounds, and if you need to haul stuff in the bed, no problem. It's got a maximum payload of 1,700 pounds. They're focused on making this truck as practical as possible, and in my opinion, that is the correct way to do it. Number 3. Interior design. Now, I know this all depends on your preference, so I'll just tell you the facts as they come. Just watch carefully. The first thing you'll notice are the seats, the luxurious zero-gravity seats. These seats, praised for their long-term comfort, transform every journey into an indulgent experience. These seats are designed to provide exceptional support and reduce fatigue even during those long-haul drives. The engineering team at Nissan has put in extensive research and development to ensure the zero-gravity seating design mimics the neutral posture of the human body, leading to improved ergonomics and reduced stress on the spine and muscles. But that's not all. The new Frontier also boasts a significant reduction in interior noise levels, with an impressive 80% decrease compared to the previous model. This is just impressive and functional, especially for music lovers, who will also appreciate the Frontier's optional Fender premium audio system. This top-tier sound system features 10 speakers, including subwoofers, delivering a rich and immersive listening experience. But that's not the only thing that is practical, because at the heart of the Frontier's cabin lies a stunning 9-inch display, serving as the centerpiece for a user-friendly infotainment and vehicle control interface. This sizable screen not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures easy accessibility and intuitive operation for both the driver and passengers. Complementing the display are the leather-upholstered seats, which come with optional heating and ventilation features, adding a touch of comfort and luxury to the cabin. Number 4. Exterior design. The Nissan Frontier has long been a beloved pickup truck, and one of the reasons is its renowned rugged design. And this year they took it up a notch. The first thing that immediately grabs your attention is the grille, complemented by the LED lights with their crisp and cool glow. The exterior styling of the Frontier is a perfect blend of ruggedness and modernity. It offers a design that is as pleasing to the eyes as it is functional. The bold, muscular lines of the truck exude strength and durability, ready to take on any challenge. Yet there are also sleek, modern touches, like the sharp contours and the refined finish that add an element of sophistication. And aerodynamics isn't just about speed, it's about efficiency and performance. The Frontier excels in this area with its active grille, shutter, and tailgate spoiler. Number 5. Price. The 2024 Nissan Frontier beckons adventure seekers with its irresistible starting price tag of $31,810, inviting enthusiasts to embark on new and thrilling experiences. This versatile truck caters to a wide array of preferences with its diverse range of trims, from the practical S trim built for everyday utility and durability to the rugged Pro 4X crafted to conquer even the toughest terrains. With its impressive off-road capabilities and culminating in the luxurious L trim where comfort meets functionality for those who crave a premium driving experience, each trim level offers a distinct combination of features and capabilities, ensuring there's a Frontier that aligns perfectly with every budget and aspiration. With prices reaching up to $42,095 for the top-tier model, beyond the initial appeal, the Frontier proves its worth as a reliable investment, boasting a projected 77% retention of value over 5 years. This speaks volumes about the truck's enduring appeal and solid build quality, positioning it not just as a vehicle but as a long-term asset worth investing in.